sa Teach Peace, Build Peace movement na makaka-work po sila sa Creators for Change. Kaya
Hi! Hello! A peaceful day sa lahat!
iikot niya tayo dito sa Fair Biscuit.
The organizer is called Creative Learning. They have their own peace buddies. And then meron silang peace mission for the day for them to get to know each other.
Oh, cute!
We have Christian kids, Muslim kids, and then Aita kids from different schools and communities.
Hi!
So this day talaga is really for them, for the kids. May mga peace merchandise of our schools and communities in is Steps to Peace. Mga cardigans ako.
For the ways of the Aita.
Magsusulat ako ng letter for the kids to.
Right. What else are you going to say? One for you, one for your Mindanao.
Kahit ano lang.
Kahit at sa Marawi or Mindanao.
Same bracelet kami.
All of these come from our kapatiran schools in from Marawi and Maguindanao. Mga peace.
Careful na kami.
Yung commitment nila for peace. And then, ano yung thoughts nila on peace being their own right. Yeah, so peace with oneself, peace with others, and then peace with our environment.
Bamboo straw from Bambuhay, one of our partners also. No plastic, no metal.
Something about as simple as throwing your trash dun sa tamang
Made of rubber tire inner tube. Ayun. So they're from Kaymanggi.
Yeah.
Elder Lopez.
Yes, they are. Kapatiran schools in. Go Ate Debbie.
I know, right?
Like for IG store.
Ikaw na Ate Debbie.
Galing.
So we have Christianity booth. May booth rin tayo about Islam. Tapos meron tayong booth about Aita culture. Peacified cooking. Para yung mga kids or those visiting the booths can learn about Christianity, Islam, and the Aita culture.
Allah or Dear God wall.
So galing to sa mga kids rin from our community. They're one of our partners. Orak Pampanga. So they're called Peace Camp. Ito yung mga products nila.
Ay, YouTube!
Ha? Ate Krisha's the one.
Hi! Say hi! Cute.
Good name.
Krisha, uy!
So this is Kulinta. Ate Mona will be playing later for us. Sa kids, how to play Kulinta.
Speaking
Free hugs!
Free hug. Hello.
Quote natin about Islam. 5 pillars of Islam. And then, ano yung mga usual na sinasabi namin. All about, talaga, bridging religions and cultures sa Pilipinas. So ito, pinapakita natin yung iba't ibang mga katutubo at lumad sa buong Having fun? Wow, very good! Ko ba to?
Parang Rico.
Daral. Okay. Daral. From? Saan ba ito?
Ano yan? Tauso naman yun.
Tausug.
Tausug.
Delicacy. Oo.
Ito naman,
Wait, meron tong coconut. Oo. Tapos ito, Magindanawan.
Marami yung
Yan ba yung rice na
pakita.
suman? Hindi.
Yan, para siyang suman or ube. Pero merong
May laman.
excuse pa na bubuksan pero gusto ko lang kumain, di ba? Oo.
Kaya nga.
Taugi, pero sa mga Taga-Luzon, toge yung laman. Oo, papasok ka sa malo. Kapag ganun ka. Ayan! There are different ways. Malong-malong sa 7-Eleven.
Tinampi ng babae. Sa lalaki naman, ganito yung tinampi ng lalaki. Yan. Ganyan siya. Kaya yung mga lalaki, at least meron silang space.
Space. So, yun yung explanation doon.
Oo.
May rason siya yung pala.
Ayun, pag nagpupre naman yung yung lalaki, may sinasabing pre-fold. So, mayroong at least inarte ba? Arte.
Wala!
Nakaganon siya. It's more on Malaysian actually na style. Ganun. Mga lalaki kasi dati mga hunters sila. Ang ginagawa, yan, diba ganun. Action sila, may at least may space.
Oo!
Maraming ways. Kaya manood ka.
Sige po.
Panoorin mo sila Ate Mona.
Sige po.
Si Kuya Manman.
Sige.
Say the 5 pillars.
Oh, okay. What are the 5 pillars? Very good.
Galing ah!
This is the peacemaker. This is what you call peacemaker. What is right?
Sige.
Hipan ni Ate Krisha.
Mahirap pala.
Ayan! And then you have to shout pag natapos mo, I am a peace hero.
I'm a peace hero!
Yung ito yung mga discrimination. No to discrimination.
Tama.
So, kailangan mong mag-shoot. Oh my gosh!
Mahirap yan! Kaya ko isa lang. Moing ka! Wala!
And they also go to Mount Puta. Good morning, say hi! Ito yung sa photo booth. Sila yung in charge sa photo booth na ito. For the benefit of their communities. Ito naman yung Civil Military Operations Battalion sa Campaginal.
Ano yan? Ay! Halo! Pang-military pa.
Army?
Okay, tara na. Ayan na. Sa kanya po ito. Sa akin, hiniram lang.
Gusto yung exit. Yung peace fair naman for all ages.
Oh. Hi!
Thank you po.
Ang ganda ng boses nila. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa Teach Peace, Build Peace movement, lalo na kay Ate Hani Badet. Kasi po, sila po yung nag-invite sa akin na pumunta sa kanilang peace fair and I get to know more sa aking NGO. So, this NGO will help me sa YouTube Creators for Change campaign, which I will be posting soon. We are working on it. By building peace is getting to know iba-ibang religion and accepting na may iba-iba talaga tayong religion. So, yung may booth dun kanina, like may Christian, tas may Muslim, it's just accepting and getting to know them, respecting one another. And even sa environment, dan silang sinasabi na no to plastic, and then they're helping people na to use bamboo straws. If you have more suggestions or just let me know. Thank you. Kayo.